Have you ever wished your weak plants could recover quickly with just one simple remedy? Today I'm sharing a powerful natural booster made from 2 easy kitchen ingredients: bay leaves and cinnamon. Hello friends. In this video I'll show you how just 1 spoon of this mix can make your plants greener, stronger, and full of fresh growth. Bay leaves are packed with minerals like magnesium, calcium, iron, and potassium. They help improve plant immunity, prevent yellowing, and protect against harmful bacteria and fungi. But when we add a pinch of cinnamon powder, this tonic becomes even more effective. Here's how to prepare this super plant tonic. 1. Grind 3 to 4 bay leaves into fine powder. 2. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. 3. Mix 1 spoon of this blend into 1 liter of warm water. 4. Let it rest for a few hours so the nutrients infuse properly. 5. Strain it, and your natural plant booster is ready. You can spray it on leaves or pour it directly at the roots. Use it once every 10 to 14 days, and your plants will look healthier, greener, and more vibrant all season long.